Hey everybody, so this is the last video in both of the Jane Davenport book giveaway and the end of the year 2018 giveaway where it's just a bunch of random mixed media items. So I am including this video because it's part of how I store my Making Faces collection, which I've been talking about recently, and the new Making Faces collection from Jane Davenport. And it's different than how, it's kind of a new setup, some of the things I'm showing here. And also I'm showing quite a bit of the things that I'm giving away for the general 2018 giveaway. So if you are not aware, I do have giveaways going on all the time. These are just the last two that I had going on for 2018. I'm about to start a new one, which is a watercolor theme giveaway. And so you definitely want to be subscribed for that. And just so you know, I filmed this with my phone, and it's a little bit sporadic, and I'm a little bit, what shall we say? I don't know, crazy. And so, you know, just keep in mind that and know that I am aware. And I'm basically just putting out a disclaimer there and kind of preempting maybe some harsh comments that might come my way, because that's kind of inevitable. But it also cuts off at the end, but it's just before I kind of finish the video anyway. So I'm just going to leave it kind of cutting off where it is. So just so you know. And yeah, so I have linked to this video from my final giveaway video that I did, and I'll link back to that one in this video as well. And so you can click that little eye up there, and it also comes across from the right, and the little eye, you can click it anytime and see the videos I've linked to. So enjoy this video or not, you know, it's up to you. So here is my current setup. So I sit here and I film right there. You can see my little film, and then I have my monitor here on my iPad. And I think this has changed a little bit since my little studio tour I did. So I have made these here. If you guys want to see a video on how I made these, just out of cardboard and little dollar store boxes, cardboard boxes, and foam core, I can do that. And those are all my alcohol markers. And then I have some paint markers here and here, right here. I just put all my alcohol markers all kind of together. And then I have my white paint markers here. I have these really long chameleon markers, which are kind of paint, I gotta say. My blending, my blenders from Jane Davenport that I decided to get after I used my cheap dollar store ones over here. And then I have my drama sticks that a lot of the stuff I have not gotten a chance to use. The thing with doing lots of YouTube videos is you don't get a chance to just fool around and play. I sound really disgusted. Fool around and play. These are all the velvet pastels, and I did not plan these compartments, measure them, so I'm really happy that this happens to fit in there. This is all my squiddings that I have not had a chance to play with yet. These are all watercolors. I've got 2 Prima watercolors and 2 Jane Davenport watercolors. These are just some more ink pads. Here is the pins that the drama sticks came in. I have not, they're still empty. Here's some velvet pastels from Jane Davenport. Here's some little beauty blender kind of cleaner things. Oh, I have this, which I haven't had a chance to use yet. And then I have some little stencils here that I just want to kind of have. And these, a lot of these are the Jane Davenport ones. And then up here I have a lot of my tins, like my oil pastels, water ones, watercolors. I found this at Staples, which I have not gotten a chance to use yet. And it is the Derwent Such an idiot. The Derwent Ink Tense little palette with a travel brush in it, and it wasn't very much, so I know that the Derwent doesn't necessarily, I really like the Ink Tense from Derwent, and I don't mind my Derwent watercolor pencils either. This used to be Caran d'Ache, but now it has a whole bunch of oil pastels. These Pentel oil pastels are great. They're really great. Even the Reeves are good, and they're cheap. I do have Power Pastels now from Jane Davenport, and that's those. And I have the Prima pastels, and these are water soluble, these ones, but they're oil pastels. I am going to do a comparison video on all these oil pastels soon with surprising results that I did not expect. Oh, and I have my color sticks from Jane Davenport and all of like the swatch cards and stuff here. So that is what I look at. Oh, and this thing I bought at the dollar store for makeup brushes, and I just kind of put it here when I'm working, but I move it out of my way if I'm doing like encaustics with hot wax and stuff. Oh, and I also have, oh, actually let's take a drink of that. Just some brushes here. These are makeup brushes. Cheap makeup brushes, but I thought they might be fun to try to use with art. And I have some beauty blenders, which I could not get from Jane's site at the time. And then I have a lot of these sponges, Q-tips, little pipettes, whatever you want to call them. Gesso, more brushes. I have, look at all my brushes. Like, seriously, look at all those brushes. And I have more that I don't even know where they're at right now. They're like in who knows where. And then I have alkalines. So that is my current setup. And I am about to film a video working in this. Oh, and I have stamps in here and stencils in here. So I can just reach. Because I've really been trying to get my place set up and my film place set up so that I have everything kind of within arm's reach, or almost within arm's reach, that I need. I also have a bunch of stuff right here. I really don't want to have to get up and try to find things. I mean, that washi tape is all the way over there. So there are a few things still that aren't within arm's reach, but I'm getting there. Oh, also, I have this luscious thing. Look at this. Look at this thing. Like, I almost feel guilty when I see it because, I mean, really, okay, so these are different brands. I have them all different. This I got at HomeSense, which is Marshall's. I don't know if you have HomeSense in Canada, but I think you have or in the States. I think you have Marshall's. Bic markers. Some kind of highlighters. These are all metallic things. These are all water brushes, mermaid markers. Markers that I have made, more pencil crayons. These are Faber-Castell, watercolor. These are my Derwent watercolor pencils. Oh, this is thick markers. I don't know. And then down here I've got all my gelatos. Oh, all my Tombow watercolor markers. And here I've got like graphite pencils and China markers and whatnot. Oh, and these, I just found these, and I have to go back and get them because I think I'm going to give them away in the giveaway, in the art supply giveaway but for the end of the year. They come with 24, and they are like colored China markers. They write on anything. Look at that. Look at that. They kind of feel like gelatos, but I don't know. Like, I found them, and I was like, I gotta get them, and had a 50% off coupon, and they just fell down here. Oh, and that's where my dog sleeps. He doesn't go sleep in the bed over there where he's supposed to. Yeah, so I'm going to include these in the giveaway. There's 24, and they're like the prettiest, softest colors. I'm very excited about that, and they better not be sold out by the time I get back there. And here's all my collage stuff. Oh, I have some really fun collage stuff to give you guys too, which I will have to show in another video, but I'm actually going to show you right now. This is how I get with my, when there's my encaustic stuff, when I find some supplies. Oh, here they are. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, so I got 2 of these. I specifically got two. Got 1, got 2. I can't even think straight. Why am I doing this on my phone? This is like the worst idea ever. Okay, so these are vintage stickers of like these faces. How good is that? And then I have like so many like vellum stickers that I got from AliExpress. You guys are just like watching me and you're like, this is giving me anxiety. Watch me try and open this with one hand. Those of you, if you're like me, you'd be like, oh my goodness, please open that, I can't take it anymore. Oh, now wait, okay. So like, look at these. So one of you will be getting a package of these whole things, because I got 2 of them. And I can't remember what all I got, but I got a bunch of stuff here. And I gotta find, so, okay, this is like my favorite thing. We're on the floor now, people. We're on the floor. These are papers, but they're stickers. They're stickers. And look at, these are all stickers. They're all like transparent stickers. Look at how pretty these are. Definitely going through here, giving some of these in the giveaway. Oh, so much fun. Oh, and now here comes the haters telling me that I'm singing and I'm talking to myself. And do I know how ridiculous I sound? And these things here are little papers that are stickers. Oh, those are just packaging that I had to keep because I'm not throwing that away. Yeah, so there's lots of fun things to give away. Oh, and look, I have like distress things there too. Distress paints, distress inks. And then down